Hi, this is Jackie with WTI, and if you are about to start a new project or you're trying to calm your nerves and focus on a plan, a dream, a goal, or a project, whether it's at work or in your personal life, Envision is something that I like to diffuse. This Envision Young Living Essential Oils blend, I personally feel like it helps me, and it is a blend of geranium, rose, black spruce, orange, and I believe one other essential oil, but sage, which is one of my favorites. But it really helps me to diffuse it for about 30 minutes. Oh, you can inhale it. It does need to be diluted if you're going to use it topically, but it is nice to use topically as well. But it just helps to give you a feeling of creative energy, basically. So it helps you to just feel creative, feel motivated, and feel like you can just get the job done, whatever it is. So if you need a little boost of creative energy, I recommend Envision, but that's just my point of view.